Okay, this is for the benefit of all those students who've gone to Kathmandu as part of the Nepal CAS IB trip. Today we're going to look at negative externalities, a rising in production, and we're going to look at the government response to this, and we're going to look at how successful the response is, which is dependent upon the market structure. To begin with, we see the perfectly competitive industry. Demand is the same as the social marginal benefit. Supply is formed from the summation of the private marginal cost curves. And this gives us an output of OQ and a price of OP. However, the externality means that the cost to society is greater than the cost to the private firms. And we draw in another curve, SMC, to show the social marginal cost. We can see that the best output level is at Q star, with the social marginal cost equals the social marginal benefit. And yet, the perfectly competitive industry produces at OQ. This means that this triangle, which we label the welfare loss, represents the amount by which social marginal costs exceed social marginal benefits. If we can impose a pollution tax equal to the pollution, well then we end up with this situation. SMC equals sigma PMC plus tax. And this means that we move back to the optimum output level. So that's what happens under conditions of perfect competition. How does it differ if we take a different market structure? If we look at a monopoly? Well, if we look at a monopoly, things change quite dramatically. And that's a story for next time.